few moments later.
Assalamualaikum guys, good morning. Today? Yes, sir. Today. Let's go in. Okay, never mind. So, we continue our class. I will start from question 3 or 4. Okay, see 3 or 4.
Alright, so Assalamualaikum. So I started with the question number 1. The question begin, Dennis need to borrow RM 12,000 and he has 2 loan options to consider it. Okay, this is loan A, 9% compounded monthly, and loan B, compounded quarterly. Question A, explain the concept of compound interest and discuss how they different from the simple interest. The answer is compound interest means the interest is calculated on both initial principal and the interest accumulated over time. Unlike simple interest, which grow linearly, compound interest grow faster because it add interest on previously carry interest. Okay, go to question number 2. Is B. If Dennis plans to repay the loan in full at end of 5 years, which option is the best? Okay, we need to complete the table. K is nominal rate is 9%, and we put it into a formula. S equal to P 1 plus I divided by N. So, after we calculate, we got RM 18,788 and 17 cents. Loan B is P is RM 12,000 and nominal rate is 12% and number of period is 4. The term in years is 5 years and the interest period is 20. So we put it into a formula like this. S equal to 12,000, sorry. 1 plus 0.2 divided by 4, and N is the number of interest period is 20. So we got RM 21,673 and 33 cents. So in conclusion, if Dennis plans to repay full at the end of the 5 year, the best option is loan A.
For question 2, Sarah want to invest 10,000 and she interested in maximizing her return over the 10-year period. She has 2 options, Bank A and Bank B. Bank A offer an annual compound interest rate of 6% compound every 4 months, while Bank B offer an annual compound interest rate of 5.75 compounded monthly. For Bank A, to find the investment growth, we will use future value formula. S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. So we will get 18113.62. And to find interest charge, we will use formula interest equal to S minus P. So the interest will get 8113.62. For Bank B, Bank B offer an annual compound interest rate of 5.75 compounded monthly. The same formula we will use S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N. So the answer will get 17746.92. To find the interest, we will use interest equal to S minus P. The answer will get 7746.92. For B, Bank Sarah should choose if she want maximum return is Bank A because Bank A return is higher than Bank B.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nisa Salus and I'm gonna answer the question 3 and it's like this. For the first question, using the concept of annuity, explain how the loan repayment made by Sulaiman is an example of annuity. Sulaiman needs to pay monthly with the same amount that got charged with the interest rate for the next 7 years. For this question, we need to find all the information we find in the question, such as this. After that, we need to use the formula of the present value of the ordinary annuity certain and fill all the symbol. After that, we need to solve in the bracket first and then multiply with the same amount we got at the lower bracket at the both sides. And then we need to divide the same amount we got at the upper bracket at the both sides. And finally, we got the monthly installment payment for the loan. Okay, for the last question, Sulaiman basically wants to pay the first 4th month and the 5th month. So to solve this question, we need to use this formula and the end in this question not same for the previous question. After that, fill all the symbol and solve in the bracket first. And then, the monthly payment needs to multiply with the amount we got in the bracket and we got the answer. The answer is 2,589 and 52 cents. And that's all.
So, for the last question, the cash price of a car is 85,000 ringgit. It can be purchased through an installment plan by making a down payment of 15% followed by 180 equal monthly payment. And the interest charge is 6.5% compounded monthly. So these are the questions that I will show you guys how to do. So the first question, the cash price of the car is 85,000 ringgit and the down payment of the car is made by 15%. So if you want to know the original balance, you have to minus the cash price with down payment and you will get 72,250. So our N is 180 and our T is 15 while our R is 0.665. So the first question wants us to know what is the monthly payment. So if you can see, the formula is A equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I minus N over I. So we just put all the the numbers in the formulas. So we will get 72,250 equals to R 1 minus 1 plus 0.665 over 12 minus 180 over 1 over 6 over 0.065 over 12. And you will get 629 ringgit 38 cents. Moving on to the next question, the total interest charge. So the formula is I equals to total monthly payment minus original balance. 180 open 180 times 629 ringgit 38 cents minus the original balance that is 72,250. You will get RM 41,038 ringgit 40 cents. Okay, so moving on to the last question. If immediately after 8 years the buyer decided to settle the loan by making a single payment, find the value of the single payment. So we know that the formula for this question is S equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I over I. We just put our number in the formula. So S equals to 629 ringgit and 38 cents, open bracket, 1 minus open bracket, 1 plus 0.065 over 12, close bracket, negative 84, and over 0.065 over 12. So if we put it in the calculator, you will get the answer for RM 42,000 ringgit 384 ringgit 10 cents.